Hello, we'll talk about the last technique in this course, Windows technique or snapshot or time slice. This technique is a retrospective technique and also dynamic. In my opinion, this technique is the most important and accurate technique. It takes into consideration all the facts that we discussed in other techniques and also give a very good result and accurate result for delay analysis. So let us see how this technique works. In this technique, we bought the baseline schedule updated at regular interval. For example, each month. So we make a window each month or each week or whatever the interval we choose, but usually every month we make update and study this period, this window carefully and analyze the effect and the impact of the delay. In this example, we have this schedule and also we have this delay. We make update to see the impact of the delay. This update will be repeated every month and we study this interval. What happened in this period? What happened in this window? What happened in this snapshot or time slice? And the effect of the delay in this time. We repeat this window every month, every time, whatever the period we choose, and we know exactly the impact of the delay in this period or in this window or time slice. After that, we have a group of windows. After that, we have a group of windows and we study well every window what happened and what is the delay happened in this window, in this snapshot, in this time slice, and we make this table as before and record all delays, effects. So we have a summary of the delay overall the project. This very good technique, very accurate, and in my opinion is the best technique because it take into consideration the dynamic of critical path, take into consideration the actual effect of the delay, it take into consideration all the effects that we discussed in other method. Also, it take into consideration concurrent delay and complex situation. So this technique, this method is very good method and I recommend this method to analyze the delay. So thank you very much.